Guys, my name is Omer and you're watching Omer's workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to sow the seeds for the starting. So I have four kinds of seeds. One is cherry tomato and the second is chili F1 and the watermelon and the tomato. So I'm putting up these seeds which are very easy to grow for the starters. So if you are beginners, so let's get started. I have this 1 to 8 holes seedling tray and I'm gonna use this peat moss over here. So I'm just gonna put all the seed peat moss into the holes, and the fast way for doing it, just put them like that and then just spread them evenly on all the holes are getting filled with this peat moss. Peat moss is normally you can be find in all the stores, online stores, so anywhere. So this peat moss is kind of leafy kind of seed which is natural and is very good for the seed starters. So it is a very good choice for the seeds to be. Okay, now our seedling tray is ready for the seeds. Right now I also have make these banners for them, so you can make them with the chopstick. So for the seed from the here I'm gonna use this cherry tomato seeds. Okay, now I have 20 seeds of cherry tomato. Now I'm gonna put them into the seed tray one by one. So I filled 24 seedling trays for this. So it had 24, so I'm gonna fill them with that, and then I'm gonna put the cherry tomato filling on that. After that we are gonna use this tomato, only F1 tomato, which is very good yield for that. Okay, now I have the tomato seeds in my hand. They are look like the same with the cherry tomato, but they are tomato seeds. So now putting them again. Our cherry tomato is done and our tomato F1 is done. Or we are going for the chili. The chili seeds are done. Now we're gonna put them over here. For the last is for the watermelon seeds. Alright, so all the seeds are into the sauce. I'm gonna put them here, and now we can see we have this cherry tomato seeds from here, and tomato seeds over here, chili seeds over here, and watermelon seeds over here. So they have been put up. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some of the peat moss over them, just a sprinkling. Okay. And then I'm gonna water them like that. I have gently watered all the seeds tray, and now I'm gonna put them into the sunlight. It is a fourth day now, and you can see there are sprouting coming out from the seedling tray. Seeds have been sprouted, and these seeds are watermelon seeds, and they are starting to sprout. Most of the watermelon seeds are growing right now, but on the other hand, on the chili and F1 tomato and cherry tomato, there is no sign of sprouting. It is 6th day, and the watermelon seeds have become plants. They have grown very fast. I was not expecting them to grow that fast. On the other hand, the tomato and chili seeds are starting to sprout. Only watermelon seeds have grown so fast. So I'm going to convert them into bigger cups. Watermelon seeds have been planted, and the ratio was very good because out 17 plants have sprouted out of 20, so it is kind of a good deal. So you can see all of them are growing very fast. So I hope and I pray that they start growing very well. So this is the 6th day of after the sowing, and we are still waiting for the chili tomato and cherry tomato. It is 10th day now, and as you can see, the plants are getting a third leaf. They are growing so well. I put the bamboo stick over here and attach this zip tie just enough so they can just stay on it. So the result was good. Our 17 out of 20 seeds sprouted, and they're growing so well. I hope they grow to the full limit. And on the other hand, we have this F1 tomato and cherry tomato reaching the height of 4 to 5 inches. When they reach 6 inches, they will be planted just like the tomato plant, just like the watermelon plant, but there is no any kind of chili seed. Chili seed doesn't grow any well, and not any of the seed grows of the chili, but only tomato and F1 tomato grows. So now you can see how you can grow by the use of seedling tray from the seed to the plant. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.